Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 smart ways you can start saving money to build your wealth by 2025. We're not talking about giving up your daily coffee or becoming a hermit. This is about making small, sustainable changes that make a big impact over time. Remember, personal finance is 20% about knowledge and 80% about action. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to know where your money is going. Are you really aware of how much you spend on eating out every month? I'm talking about tracking every penny. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even that little notepad you've got lying around. Trust me, most people are shocked when they actually see their spending habits laid out in front of them. And hey, don't beat yourself up if you find some surprises in there. We've all been there. The important thing is to identify those areas where you can potentially cut back. We're creatures of habit, right? So let's use that to our advantage. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account every single month. Think of it like paying yourself first. The key here is to make it automatic, so you don't even have to think about it. Start small if you have to. Even $20 a week adds up over time. And here's a pro tip. Increase that automatic transfer every time you get a raise. You won't even miss the money, and your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about those sneaky little expenses that drain your bank account without you even realizing it. That daily latte, those subscription boxes you forgot you signed up for eating out for lunch every day. You know what I'm talking about. Challenge yourself to identify at least 3 non-essential expenses you can cut back on. And remember, cutting back doesn't mean deprivation. Maybe you switch to making coffee at home a few days a week, or find a cheaper gym membership. Small changes, big results. Saving is great, but investing is where the real magic happens. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Low-cost index funds are your secret weapon. They're like a basket of stocks, so you're instantly diversified, which is crucial for minimizing risk. Remember, investing is a long game. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow over time. Life happens, right? Car breaks down, unexpected medical bills, your dog eats something he shouldn't have. We've all been there. That's where your emergency fund comes in. Having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up can literally save you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month, and gradually build up that safety net. There you have it, 5 effective ways to start saving money and build your wealth by 2025. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on financial success. Thanks for watching.